Lokhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presentation on CSC IIBF exam question and answer in English. Presented by Lokhidev Das 9101046197, Director Krishnagur Computer Training Center, KCTC, Okajan Santipur PO, Okajan PS Silvassa District, Dhemaji, Assam. Pin 787059. Question number 1. We should keep our saving with banks because option A, it is safe. Option B, earn interest. Option C, can be withdrawn anytime. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 2. Bank does not give loan against option A, gold ornaments. Option B, LIC policy. Option C, lottery ticket. Option D, NSC. The right answer is option C, lottery ticket. Question number 3. Bank having maximum number of branches in India. Option A, Reserve Bank of India. Option B, State Bank of India. Option C, Punjab National Bank. Option D, Bank of Baroda. The right answer is option B, State Bank of India. Question number 4. 100 rupees note is signed by option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Finance Minister. Option C, RBI Governor. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option C, RBI Governor. Question number 5. ATM password should be kept in option A, personal diary. Option B, office diary. Option C, memory. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option C, memory. Question number 6. ATM password should to be shared only with option A, spouse. Option B, obedient son. Option C, obedient daughter. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option D, none of above. Question number 7. Nomination can be done in option A, saving bank account. Option B, recurring deposit account. Option C, fixed deposit account. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Who is the question number 8? Who is the present governor of RBI? Option A, K.C. Chakraborty. Option D, D.K. Mithal. Option D, Raghunath Ranjan. Option D, Madhok Singha Ahulia. Option right answer is option C, Raghuram Ranjan. Question number 9. Is the logo of option A, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Option B, Central Bank of India. Option C, Reserve Bank of India. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Question number 10. PMMY loan can be availed from the bank in which? Option A, the customer has the banking relation with the bank. Option B, the customer does not have their pure banking relationship, saving oblique account, current account with the bank. Option C, both A and B and C. The right answer is option C, both A and B, C. Question number 11. What is the rule of mudra under PMMY loans? Option A, mudra is a direct leading institution and leads to small oblique micro unit entrepreneurs directly for PMMY. Option B, act as a refinery agency and refinaries to all banks, NBFS, MFIs for onward lending to customers under defined categories of PMMY loans as per need of the customer. Option C, mudra is regular of banks. The right answer is option B, act as a refinance agency and refinances to all banks, NBFS, MFIs or onward lending to customers under defined categories of PMMY loans as per need of the customer. Question number 12. The borrowers can avail the credit in a wholesale free and flexible manner with the mudra card, which is as option A, debit card with sanction limit. Option C, credit card. Option C, ordinary debit card. The right answer is option A, debit card with sanction limit. Question number 13. Mudra card is a debit card on which payment platform? Option A RuPay, option B Visa, option C MasterCard. The right answer is option A and B, RuPay and Visa. Question number 14. What is the use of Mudra card and now it can be used? Option A drawing cash from ATM or business correspondent. Option B make purchase using profit of sale post machine. Option C both of above. The right answer is option C both of above. Question number 15. Who issue the Mudra card to customer? Option A Bank Idea Direct or in association with MFIs. Option B MFIs directly. Option C Mudra. The right answer is option A Banks Idea directly or in association with MFIs. Question number 16. PMMY loans are applicable to option A all banks all over India. Option B within the notified areas of location in India. Option C all banks over India and abroad. The right answer is option A all banks all over India. Question number 17. What are the interest rates of the PMMY loans extended by banks, NBFS, MFIs to the borrowers? Option A reasonable rates decided by lending banks, NBFS, MFIs that should fall within the overall RBI guidelines. Option B the rates as prescribed by Mudra. Option C uniform rate as stipulated by the RBI. The right answer is option A reasonable rates decided by lending banks, NBFS, MFIs that should fall within the overall RBI guidelines. Question number 18. PMY loans are provided for what tenure? Option A 1 year, option B 2 years, option C depend on cash flow of the business and decided by the lending institution. The right answer is option C depend on cash flows of the business and decided by the lending institution. Question number 19. What is the governance redressal mechanism available against bank officials in the event of non-sanction of loan? Option A the matter can be escalated to the next higher office region of the bank. Option B customer can register complaint on bank's nodal officer PMMY or PMMY mission office or PMMY toll free. Option C both of above. The right answer is option C both of above. Question number 20. What are the documents that are required to be submitted for availing loans under Mudra? Option A standard loan application form. Option B KYC and other documents as many requires as per internal guidelines of lending bank NBFS MMFI. Option C both of above. The right answer is option C both of above. Question number 21. Who monitors the implementation of PMMY progress at national level? Option A Mudra / Department of Financial Service. Option B State Level Bankers Committee SLBC. Option C both. The right answer is option A Mudra / Department of Financial Service. Question number 22. Where are the frequently asked questions FQs on PMMY loans available for information of the lending institution public? Option A DFS website, option B PMO website, option C Mudra website. The right answer is option C Mudra website. Question number 23. Sample project profiles for running or setting up of micro / small enterprises is available at option A DFS website, option B Mudra website, option C PMO website. The right answer is option B Mudra website. Question number 24. Mudra has been set up by whom? Option A, Government of India. Option B, RBI. Option C, SEBI. The right answer is option A, Government of India. Question number 25. The loan sanctioned by banks /NBFS /MFIs on or after up to 10 lakhs for small business income generating activities are known as PMMY loans. Option A, 18 March 2015. Option B, 8 April 2015. Option C, 20 May 2015. The right answer is option B, 8 April 2015. Question number 26. What is the amount of overdraft facility sanctioned under PMJDY was classified as Mudra loans under PMMY? Option A, 5,000. Option B, 10,000. Option C, 45,000. The right answer is option B, A, 5,000. Question number 27. Who is eligible to get the Mudra loans under PMMY out of following borrowers? Option A, large corporates. Option B, municipal corporation. Option C, small fruits vendors, vegetable sellers, etc. The right answer is option C, small fruits vendors, vegetable sellers, etc. Question number 28. Total loans sanctioned / disbursed under PMYS ascribable to their information to the banks /NBFS /MFIs general public at large. Option A, DFS website. Option B, Mudra portal. Option C, PMO website. The right answer is option B, Mudra portal. Question number 29. All PMMY loans will be governed by, formulated by Mudra in consultation with DFS rating agencies, MFIN and Sadhan and other stockholders for adoption by all the lending institutions. Option A, Mudra Loan Code of Lending. Option B, Mudra Loan Charter. Option C, PMMY Loan Charter. The right answer is option B, Mudra Loan Charter. Question number 30. Mudra scheme is applicable to which type of MSC business under income generation purpose? Option A, newly started UPS. Option B, exciting business for expansion or upgradation. Option C, both A and B. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Thank you so much. If you want to IIBF PDF file, then WhatsApp me. I have given my WhatsApp number in description. All questions answers is red color, given red colors. And if you first on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment, share.